Hi friends, today I am going to give you detailed in-depth review of product called Lazy Sniper Traffic. Lazy Traffic Sniper. I have gone through sales page, I have gone through product review, so I can summarize whatever I have got it. Now let us dive into it. So as I told you, the product is called Lazy Traffic Sniper. This is one of the best product which I have encountered in recently in past. So what exactly Lazy Traffic Sniper? So let us first of all they have given an introduction of how actually, as you all know that to exist in online we need a product or offer, but just having a product or offer is not enough. The number one thing which we require is traffic. Traffic is the only number one thing which makes or breaks an online marketer. But there are many challenges as far as the traffic is concerned. The traffic challenges, there is a heavy competition. So every Tom, Dick, and Harry is on online today. After COVID, everybody wanted to join online and wanted to have their own pie. So there is a heavy traffic, heavy competition. It's a jam-packed social network. Whether you go to Facebook, whether you go to Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, wherever you go, there are n number of people who are trying to explore these platforms and wanted to earn someone and wanted to create some content and trying to build some followers and earn money. What are those things which we require? We require to create some products. We require to build huge email list, as there is a saying, money is in the list. One has to make so many videos as I am doing now. One has to create groups in the platforms like Facebook, and we need to engage them by producing your content or offering help and offering solutions to your followers. You will build a trust. You need to build a trust. You need experience to do all these things. You need to spend money. You need to pay for ads. So many things you have to do for make a place in these platforms. So most of the buyers are trying to shift to a new platform. People are saying that actually Facebook is losing its sheen. So sensing all these things, there are some marketers who are intelligent enough to sense these symptoms of the new age buyers. So now it is 2021 actually. Some smart marketers have got this new indication and they had started exploring new platforms. One such affiliate marketer is Jono Armstrong. He's seven-figure marketer. He's in there in online from 2007 to till then, and he has marked his presence wonderfully. He's one of the leading affiliate marketing in all the leading platforms like Warrior Plus, JVG, wherever you go. Actually, you can find his name. Now, Jono Armstrong has been tied up with Betty and Shubham, who have actually explored a new platform, a platform which has no competition. The platform is there on the online for last 11 years, but nobody has ever monetized like this. I am sure that 99% of the people don't know about it, and it attracts global buyers. To know more about this platform, I'll tell you some more characteristics of the platform. Whatever the sales page or the product review has given me, I am trying to give summarize here. The platform actually consists of 300 million users. These people, 300 million users, participate daily on that platform. As far as the stats they have revealed in this product, around 35% of the users on the platform are of US population. You can imagine that's a good kind. And half of the members on this platform are above with an income of 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh dollars. That's a huge pie to explore with. And moreover, this is a platform where higher concentration of adults. That means these people are good enough to make their choices and they are independent people. They can, they have money, they can take decisions. So this is one of the best platform to explore, and this is like a gold mine for all the marketers. Now, Jono Armstrong and Betty and Shubham have identified this opportunity and they have created this product called Lazy Traffic Sniper, uh, wherein this is an information product. They will reveal all the methods how to create content and how to attract the buyers and how to promote your products in this. So I'll go through this exact what exactly they have mentioned here. So as they said, this is a brand new solution for finding and monetizing free buying traffic. The system solves two crucial problems: getting real buyers and turning them into profit. So buyer, so there are two problems as I said in that one, buyer having a buyer traffic and making money. So this product actually solves those two problems. Now I will go to the sales page. What exactly it is mentioned there? Let's all your money links in front of the 300 million hungry buyers for free. So even if you are a complete beginner with less than 5 minutes a day, you can explore this platform with this method, whatever it has mentioned in this product, and you can make money. So minimum of $300 per day. So what you require more than this now? So you, as I told you, there is a for a traffic, the number one thing which we required is a traffic, and there is a too much competition, zoned out consumer, jammed packed social networks, and for every marketer actually uh, they uh, they have to require create products, they have to build email lists, they have to follow social networks to make, they have to make videos, they have to create trust, uh, they need experience, they need uh, they need to pay for ads and everything. Then we are all worried about competition also there. Like as they say it, social media is consists of 3.96 billions, but only hardly anybody will pay here. Actually reality is this: people say that actually video is the one thing which actually 82% of the online traffic is glued to videos, but only Netflix and YouTube, as they are streaming videos, people are consuming it. People say that podcasts are the new video traffic, but if you want to compete with celebrities with its unlimited, so but podcasts are being created by celebrities, and who will watch, who will listen to podcasts done by you and me? So we need this is so we need a different platform which is unclogged, which has no competition, which requires less net efforts. So Betty, as I said, this is Jono. Jono is one of the leading affiliate marketers. He is associated with Betty and Shubham, who has created this product. So when Betty and Shubham told Jono about this traffic solution, he said, "Prove it." Now this is, as I said, there are over 300 million active buyers looking to spend money, 100% free, zero paid ads, laser target. Tons of this traffic comes straight from Google. Monetize any niche. You can place anything. Practice zero competition. Everything it is mentioned there. So this is the sales page. Now this is the product. Lazy Traffic Sniper. So it is brand new inclusive traffic solution for 2021. Siphon traffic from an untapped source of over 300 million monthly buyers. It's set and forget method of permanent traffic. Zero maintenance is required. No paid ads. No product creation. 100% beginner friendly. So this is a sales page. Whatever the characteristics of the product they have tried to explain in the sales page. Now let shall we? I have got an access for this product and am trying to review this product. So what exactly it is sales of. So in this product, they have introduced what exactly is the lazy sniper and about. They have also as a bonus thing, they have for a fresher, for a beginner, they have tried to explain what is exactly affiliate marketing and they are given a free traffic. So the product is nothing. The platform is nothing but the platform of 300 million users, which is untapped, which is 11 years in online, but 99% of the people have unexplored. It is nothing but a Quora. Quora is what exactly? How to Quora? Quora is a question and answer platform where in a particular niche, if you are good at music, you are good at some game. Uh, you are good at writing, you can actually you can become an expert and you can answer questions are and raised by the audience, or otherwise you can also post some questions, you can create communities, how to use Quora, how to create a bio in camera, how to hack and finding best questions in Quora, how to hack answer question Quora. So getting started is everything. So the Betty is trying to explain everything, how to create a content. So best practices in Quora, creating a post in Quora, creating a space in Quora. So then actually how to place affiliate links of Warrior Plus and JView in Quora, and how to explore these things. Then actually they also, as a bonus thing, they also for a buyer, free newbie in affiliate marketer, he can have the training for Google site part 1 and in two parts they have tried to explain it. They also touched upon how to generate traffic using LinkedIn and Twitter. So this is one of the best platform or a product which has been created ever on a platform called Quora. I am in the market for quite some time, and I have not seen any product based on Quora as of now. So it is a time that actually you need to you can check it. This is available at a wonderful price. Other OTOs are available, like you can go for an upsell. uh, it like actually they on a first upsell OTO one, they are trying to give you list building and email marketing techniques, how to make profits through building and email marketing. uh, the second upsell is the lazy traffic sniper and silver. uh, the paid ads are useful, but this platform consumes uh, much less more money when compared to FB and Instagram. And they also give you lazy traffic sniper OTO3 under OTO3 lazy traffic sniper code. This is a limitless traffic upgrade where they are trying to explain about the DFI traffic, do it for yourself traffic. And so there is also a lazy traffic sniper platform. Customer can sell this lazy traffic sniper and all products at the funnel at the 100% profit. So apart from front end, you can have these upsells. One of the best product I have seen in recent past, uh, and who all require. So they just get dive into this and try to explore one of this is a get instant access now. Press this get instant access now. You will enjoy this product. Thank you for watching this product. The link is pasted below. I hope actually this product review is helpful in making buying buyer's choice. Well, it is up to you whether you want to go with this product. But as far as my experience is concerned, this is one of the best in a different product which I have encountered in recent.